I just got out of the hospital Monday, so maybe some of the pain pills still in. But this is my first grandbaby, so y'all gonna be seeing a whole
both of y'all.
of me. And the fact that it's a girl, I have all boys. So I don't have any girls. Now I'm gonna have my baby girl. But I'm so glad to be here with all of you and the family, and we're gonna keep these two in prayer.
Right.
That this baby is raised under God's watch. And
Yes.
please thank you all for coming and sharing. And the next event I'll be able to help. My health has been down, but the next event I'll be able to help.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for coming. Always supporting us. I just want everybody to know.
Thank you, Mom. Your food is wonderful. Thank you, Judith. Yes, we will. Granny? Wait a minute. Wait a minute now. She said she liked Granny. Grandma, what did you say? She said, oh no. From Raven. She got these cupcakes and the cake. The cake has S for Serenity. Congratulations. And these are princess cupcakes.